Hi, today we will see how we can submit our profile with various survey companies in order to become eligible for receiving surveys in our email. To understand this video, we will take an example of one such reputed company, Survey Savvy. Before joining, let us browse this website a little. Now you can see on this website various sections are given: home, join, how it works, help, login. All the things are very easily explained. Basically, joining a survey is as easy as making an email ID. There is not much to learn. You will join a particular company, they will put you into their database, they will send you the survey questions email in your email, and you have to just give your opinion. You can see over here join section, how it works. They have explained how the thing goes with their website. Then there is a help section. All the answers to the frequently asked questions are given over here. Let's say, can I join Survey Savvy if I do not live in United States? You can see the answer yes. So they accept members from across the globe. Now let's go quickly and join this particular program. We can also go from a home section over here, join today. But before that, this will be the dummy account that we will be using. Again, this is a dummy ID that I will be using in this tutorial to explain you how we can quickly join a survey based company. Let's click on join today. Now we have to fill the basic information like what is the first name. From the dummy ID I will take middle initial if you don't have, last name. So this way I will fill the complete form. So you can see I have filled all the basic information over here using the dummy ID, that dummy address and dummy email. But while you are joining the survey company, you will have to provide accurate detail. All the details that you will be providing should be correct. Let's click on continue. You can see over here surveysavvy.com registration. Now some another set of questions are coming. Now you can see things like highest level of education, annual household income, income amount. So basically these are profile related questions. Remember, depending on our profile, the companies will be sending us the surveys. No profile is right or wrong. It just depends on the what particular survey, for what particular company they are doing the survey, and what is the exact requirement of that particular company. So you can see over here highest level of education. Let's say we fill in some college, no degree, or let's say we fill in some secondary high school. You have to fill in the right details over here. Then we have to fill other fields like annual household income, that is a currency, income amount. Let's say I put in annual, let's say 10,000 per month, so it becomes 1,20,000. Again you have to give your proper details, doesn't matter if it is more or less. Employment status, let's say self-employed. Again it asks for some questions if you are self-employed. Industry, let's say I put in interior design. Again it will ask some more things. Occupation, let's say designer. Okay. Race, over here we have to put Asian Indian. If you are from India, we will put Asian Indian depending on the race. Now it asks something, what is Hispanic origin. Now Hispanic is something people from the origin of Spain living in United States. I was also not knowing what is Hispanic, so I googled it out and I found it in Wikipedia. Organizations in United States use the term Hispanic to denote a relationship to Spain and sometimes also to Portugal. So no, not of Hispanic, Latino, no. We will put over here. So I have put no, not of Hispanic, Latino or Spanish origin. Then I agree to terms and let's say finish. All the information that you have to provide should be correct as per your profile. Now they say we will send you a confirmation email message shortly. So let's go in our email account and let's see if we get a message. Okay, so here is the message. Activate Survey Savvy membership. Now some instructions the company has given. Then we can click activate membership. So your email address is verified and your Survey Savvy account is now active. And you can see one special thing over here, refer your friends. Now this particular company, Survey Savvy, they pay you incentives if you refer your friends and relatives to join this particular program. If they also take up the server, you might get some incentives or cash bonus. And this is some new feature that they have introduced, download Survey Connect. If you want, you can use this feature, it's totally up to you. Now as we have made the account in Survey Savvy, let's see the login user interface. So we will enter username, we will enter password, we will log in. So over here you can see Survey Connect that I have already told you earlier. Referrals, how many persons you have referred. Let me make one thing clear, survey based work is totally different from referral based work. Survey essentially means you will be getting questions in your email on which you have to give your opinion. Now referral is something extra that they have provided you over here so that you can generate some more income by inviting your friends and others. So don't get confused between the survey work and the referral work. Over here you can see other things like profile, account. Available balance is 0 because we have just now made an account. Once your balance reaches a particular limit, you can do a request payment, referrals, help, logout, home. So once you have made an account with a survey company, Survey Savvy or any other company, you will have to wait for a few days because it takes some time for them to update your profile in their database. Once the profile is updated, you will be getting email according to your profile and as per the requirement of the merchant who is associated with them. This concludes our section of understanding a survey based company and how we can join that particular company, how we can update our profile over there, and how we can start getting surveys in our email. Now before I leave, I would like to tell one more thing. Over here you can see personal info in your login section, the information that we had provided. Now there is one more thing like called portraits. Now portrait is something you can provide more information about yourself so that the chances of getting survey increases. So they have asked things like about your employment, about your health. If you see, some more questions might come, or let's say a survey has come over here. So you can take this survey. Now this is not a paid survey, this is basically to update your profile in their database. So you can take the survey, let's say we are written self-employed, working outside or home, continue. Then again it will ask questions. So you can fill up all these questions. So this will help the company to have a better view about what you do and about yourself. So it's a good advice to go for it. And then one more thing is over here about your health. You can see a survey in progress. So you can again go over here. You can fill up things like basic things. What's your gender? What's your age? Let's say I had filled a profile of female. Dummy profile was of female. Let's say female. Age 33. Let's say continue. So you can see all these things. So you can go and fill up all these things. So this will help company to have a complete profile about yourself. And once done, you can simply log out and you can start filling up the same profile with other survey company. Thank you.